It is now 9:49 on this Saturday morning. Time to have a little bit of fun. Carl Nelson's here from Imagination Station. Time for Imagine It and time for my safety goggles, right?
Absolutely.
All right.
We're going to do something incredibly dangerous today.
Oh, wonderful.
Okay.
This always happens.
Don't try this at home.
Okay.
That's why we're doing it here.
All right.
There's lots of cool science behind what we're going to do, but just don't try this at home.
Okay.
So basically, it's really simple. I brought with me a flammable liquid. All right. I'm going to take this cloth, soak it in the liquid.
Okay. Cotton cloth?
Just a regular old cotton cloth. And then I'm going to let you light up the flame, and we're just going to put the whole cloth into the flame.
Oh,
Now,
all right.
Your prediction of what's going to happen here. I almost am embarrassed to ask you, what do you think is going to happen?
Carl, I'm guessing that this is going to light on fire and that the cloth will disappear. That's my thought, but I don't know. I don't know what this mixture is.
It's a flammable alcohol mixture. So
all right, ready?
go ahead and hit the torch. Just going to bottom there.
Oh, it's almost protecting it.
Yeah. So we get a really nice bundle of flame here.
Sure.
But what do you notice, though?
Right, the
cloth
is still intact.
It's still intact.
Huh.
In fact, the
So
flame
it's acting as a barrier?
Well, what's happening here is my mixture, you were kind of clued into that. My mixture here, my flammable mixture, is actually a mixture of water and alcohol.
Okay.
Okay, so the water has a very high capacity to hold heat. And so I would have to actually boil that water off, turn it into a vapor before the cloth would actually burn. So the water was sort of protecting the cloth, you could think of, as the alcohol burned off.
Okay.
Now, you might, though, think that this is some sort of trick cloth. It's got some fire retardant stuff on it or something like that. In which case, we could use something a little bit more valuable. Do you have any cash on you today?
Well, Carl, I do normally carry a 20 on me. And if you're lucky, I kind of like you. I suppose I'll give you
Okay, nice.
40.
Okay.
Now,
So
this is my Christmas money, so be careful.
I've heard how you burn through cash, though, when you're shopping.
All right.
So we're going to do the same thing with the money here. Just to
Oh.
show that this is not a special cloth or anything like that.
Okay.
The $20 bill. Go ahead
This is
and
making me nervous.
get your torch ready
All
here.
right.
So I'm going to hit the $20 bill,
Oh.
and it's not going to burn.
Nice. All right.
In fact, we should do that one more time.
Okay. Ready?
Just to get a little bit of a singe there, but the dollar bill is
I
still
might have
intact.
taken it a little overboard with the
You're
blowtorch.
getting excited with the torch there, clearly. Okay, but again, just because that water can help protect the cloth or the dollar bill there.
Sure.
Same thing that when you spray a house. You got one house that's burning, you spray another house next to it.
Right.
Not only does the water stop the burning embers from lighting the house on fire, but that water barrier would have to be sort of boiled off before that house could catch on fire.
Which explains firefighters' tactics then.
Exactly.
Awesome.
Exactly.
All right, Carl. Well, thanks so much. And luckily, we didn't burn through that money
That's
there.
right.
So
That's
I can still go Christmas shopping,
You can still go
right?
Christmas shopping.
Okay, we won't tell anyone that's your money. Anyways, that is today's Imagine It. Now, they do have some really neat things going on down there. Graham cracker houses?
Yeah, we have culinary students from the Penta Culinary Institute down today, and they are actually showing people how to build small gingerbread houses from 11 to 4. So come down and check it out. It's really cool. They've actually created a 12-foot tall gingerbread house that's on display as well.
Awesome. All right.
Thanks.
Carl Nelson from Imagination Station. From there, let's go check in with Dave Holmes to see what's going on in sports.